Recipe number 1, Keema Mattar. Heat oil, cook onions and add mince. अच्छी तरह पकाएं. Add ginger garlic paste. 5 मिनट तक पकाएं. Add spices. Cook properly. Add tomatoes. मटर गलने तक पकाएं. When mince is almost cooked, add peas. Add green chillies. मटर गलने तक पकाएं. Mattar keema is ready. Very yummy and tasty. Please try this. Tortillas, recipe number 2. Heat oil and add chopped onion. Add mince. Cook it for 5 minutes. Add spices. Add tomato puree. Cook until mince is cooked. Mince is cooked. Wrap. Apply mayonnaise and mince. Add lettuce and vegetables. Add cucumber. Add cheese. Wrap it. Put the wraps in the oven until cheese melts. Wraps are ready. If you did not subscribe to our channel, please subscribe. Please like our videos and share our videos with friends and family. Delicious wraps by Cooking and Style. Thank you for watching this video.